Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Light Investor. I've been investing for 2.5 years. These are my 2 full calendar years, and as I say, I started by investing in UKD, iShares UKD, and I got that up to £3,000 in there, but then I was £500 in profit. So I eventually sold them, as you'll see on the next page. And these are all the companies have. Primary Health Properties, that's a REIT that buys hospitals, or owns the lands to hospitals and doctors' surgeries. BAT is British American Tobacco. National Grid, everyone knows what National Grid is. United Utilities. UK Wind Farm Trust Fund, that's a REIT, but because they don't have houses and that, they just have wind farms. You don't pay what's it called, 20 capital gains tax. Taylor Wimpey, Hurricane Energy, which got bought out, so shareholders lost a lot. And then London Metro Properties, I just call it London REIT. So this is my first full year. 3 months I didn't get paid in the first year, and my biggest month was May. Yes, May, where I got 78 and 8 pence. So I got £20 £20.41 from Taylor Wimpey, and BAT I got £40.40p. And then the UK Wind Farm Trust I got £17.27. So that was my biggest month. But it was that 1, 2, 3 months I got over £50. It was nearly 4 months, but not quite. So my total for my first year in all dividend payments was 275. I think that's 30p. So would have a zero in front of it, wouldn't it? So that's it. Before we go on to page 2, which is year 2024, I would just like to tell everyone a disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes and to share my journey like everyone else is on YouTube, because I do watch a lot of videos of other people dividend investing and get ideas and all that. So don't forget, do your own research before you invest, and your capital is at risk. Past performances do not guarantee future results. So a lot of people say it is safer just to go for ETFs, but I'm playing it a little bit risky by going for REITs first to build up, the first £1,000 or something in dividend, and then that can go into something else. So now let's move on to year 2. Oh. And I say all the properties here, I say UK iShares UK dividend, it's called distribution now, but yeah, that paid me £23, and then obviously I sold out after that dividend and put it into companies like HSBC, BP, and I got one payment off the supermarket REIT, which I want to buy that at some time again, because it might be worth having it for like 10 years, paying 20 quid every 3 months. Because the thing that works for me is REITs have to pay 90% of their profit to shareholders, but the thing is, the downside is the volume doesn't really go up because they liquidize them by giving out more shares to generate more money. But that doesn't really bother me for the first 10 years. And also because all this is inside a stocks and shares ISA, I do not have to pay any tax on anything, but I do pay tax on the REITs, but I get that back as a tax return. My broker sorts that out for me. Every 60 to 90 days I'll get it back. So it's like a little bonus coming in to the account. So what month? Obviously June was my highest paid month, and that is because I got a special from HSBC. They paid their shareholders, it was 18p dividend special on top of their normal dividends, which totaled for me to get £62.07p. And obviously Legal in General is paying a dividend on that day as well, which is their highest dividend payment, because of the other payment in September is their low one, their final. So their interim payment is the highest one. I think they pay like 20p, don't they? So that'd be 14 and then 6p. So 14p and 6p. So I'm trying to get these up to 1,000 shares before the next one comes around in 2025. So, and what was my second highest month? Oh, that was May, was it? Yeah, May, but I did have another month of 70 odd quid in September. So my whole total dividends for 2024, I think about 25, is 543.27. So that's a good year. So I have used Snowball Analytics for the free trial. Now I tend to use that and then delete the account and go back to the free trial. But they're estimating for this year I should get 2025. I should get about £700, £730 dividend so far, if I didn't put any more money into my account. But I will, won't I? So this is coming to the end of this video, but I will do another video at the end of January showing what my dividend payments were for January 2025, and then we'll have a better idea of what I got on that month compared to this month last year. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next video, and bye for now.